Hey everybody, I'm Seth Bodnar, President of the University of Montana. And I'm here on Marshall Mountain, just 10 minutes from our beautiful campus. And this is some of the best mountain biking in the entire United States. So I thought I'd bring you up here with us today to enjoy the views of some of these incredible trails. Hope you enjoy the ride. Riding up hot sauce.
Good job, buddy.
Good work. What's amazing about Marshall Mountain is these are incredible mountain biking trails on public land.
Looking around the beauty of Marshall Mountain.
All right, so we made it to the top of Hot Sauce. Now we are about 5,100 feet of elevation, about to go down a trail called Hello Kitty.
Here we go. My son Davis leading me down.
Thanks for riding with us. That's some incredible runs here at Marshall Mountain. Again, just minutes from our beautiful campus at the University of Montana. Come join us and enjoy these trails. Go Grizz!